Looking to get the best possible discount on Hostinger? Then you're definitely in the right place. But here's the thing. There's a small trick that no one really tells you. I'm Mr. Coupon, and today I'm sharing that real deal method that can help you save more than just a few bucks. This is not just about a random promo code. This is something I personally use and recommend to anyone starting a website or online business. You might be a student, a freelancer, or someone just starting their first blog. I've been there, and I know saving money matters a lot in the beginning. So here's how it works. In the description, I've added a special link to Hostinger's sale page. This isn't just any link, it's a modified one. When you click it, it'll take you straight to the biggest live discount available right now, depending on your country. Now keep in mind, the sale page might look a bit different depending on your country, but don't worry. You can simply click the flag icon on top and choose your country manually. For example, I've selected USA, so that's why you're seeing the layout like this in my video. You can select USA too if you want the exact same view. Currently, you'll see up to 75% off, along with a free domain and a few extra months. Just scroll a bit and pick the hosting plan that suits you. I'm going with the premium plan here. Once you're on the cart page, apply the code Hosting Promo. That'll give you an extra 10% off, no matter which plan you pick. But here's the part most people miss. If you just grab the 1-year plan, yeah, it looks cheap at first, but take a closer look. Right now, the 1-year premium plan is $47.88 after the sale. But after applying the coupon code, it drops to just $43.09. However, next year, Hostinger's going to charge you around $153 to renew. That's a huge jump. Instead, if you go for the 4-year plan, even after applying the coupon, the total is just $129.17 for 4 full years. The regular price would have been over $609, so that's a massive save. That's not just saving money, that's avoiding future stress. So here's my honest suggestion as a brother. If you can afford it, go for the 4-year plan. If your budget's a little tight, 2 years is still good. Only pick 1 year if there's really no other option. Trust me, this is the smarter move in the long run. And hey, if this helped you even a little, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are planning to buy hosting. Let's help each other out and save smart. Love.